Choo Choo, the train, you're right. Do you change the pages? Do you flip the pages? Let's see.
No.
No. Is it like this? Yeah? You want to look at the other book? Okay. Let's see. Show me that book. It has pictures, doesn't it? Who's that?
Eddie.
Oh, that's Eddie. Who is that?
Mommy.
Mommy. Who is this?
Daddy.
Daddy. Who is this? Who's that?
Toady.
Uncle Toady.
Baby.
Oh, yeah.